So in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to create an approval process using Power Automate. So first, we're going to start by choosing the form. So here we select the form that we're working with. For this example, I will select information form. So here we're going to be adding a new step, and in this step we're going to be getting the response details. So we search for getting response details. So this is going to be giving us the information that has been submitted through the form. So here we're going to be selecting the same form we selected above, and here the response ID. After this, we're going to be looking for starts and wait for an approval. This is going to be our approval process. And here we have approval type. We can choose different types of approvals. I usually like to choose this one, which we're going to be giving it the emails of multiple approvers, and the first one to respond is the one that gets saved. So the first person to either approve or reject the information is the one that gets stored. So here we're going to be choosing a title. This can be approval 1, for instance. And we're going to be assigning the email of the approvers. Here I'll just write my own email. In details, we're going to be choosing the information that has been submitted through the form. To make you visualize this better, I'm going to be showing you the form that we're using, which is this one. It's just a simple form with a text box for the person to send information to. So here we're going in details, going to be selecting the assignment information, which is the question with the text box. So that information is going to be visible in the email that gets sent to the approvals. And here we have created our approval process.